Welcome. If you want to quickly see what's inside your Telegram channel messages without opening each one, turning on message previews is exactly what you need. It only takes a few seconds, and once it's enabled, you'll get a much better overview of incoming updates right from your notifications. Let's go step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon or your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the main menu. From there, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of your customization options, including notifications. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts appear, sound, and behave across chats, groups, and channels. Now, look for the option labeled Channel and tap on it. This will open up the specific notification settings for Telegram channels. Here's the key step. Find the toggle called Show Message Previews and switch it on. Once enabled, Telegram will display a snippet of each message directly in your notifications, so you can instantly see what's new without opening the app. That's it. Message previews for Telegram channels are now active. If you ever feel like your notifications are too detailed or you want more privacy, you can come back to the same setting and turn it off anytime. Enabling this feature is especially helpful if you follow multiple channels and want to stay updated efficiently without constantly checking each one manually. Give it a try, and you'll notice the difference right away.